All right, so today we're taking a look at the advanced stem splitter in Suno here. I got one of my songs here. We're gonna come over here and go to stem splitter, get stems in MIDI. Now here's the old way of doing it. You just auto split the full song here, and then we go to advanced split or split for mix, lead vocals, everything but lead vocals. We can do everything but the drum kit. So if you want to take just the guitars out or whatever, for backing tracks and such, you can do that as well. But let's go to the advanced split here, and we'll do lead vocals, we'll do electric guitar. Now the weird thing is, not the weird thing, but the cool thing is they have things in beta still, like synth lead, synth strings, rhythm acoustic guitar. They have kick and bass, or kick and snare, rather. I saw a hi-hat in here too. So you can really get some, they're really progressing in the stem splitting situation here. Now, this one doesn't know what's in your song at the moment. Like, it doesn't do it automatically. You have to select what instruments you want. So we'll do drum kit, electric guitar, lead vocals. Let's do acoustic guitar too. And we'll extract those. We get two options of those as well. They're generating obviously right now. And what it actually is doing, it's actually regenerating a whole new guitar part rather than stem splitting it. That's what I believe they said. So now we got two bit versions of the bass part here. And we could actually mix and match these. If you want the second bass stem and then the different acoustic guitar stem version 1, you could do that too. So let's play these here.
And I don't know about the stars in June.
So we got more isolation on these regenerated parts. Already the bass sounds really good compared to other bass stems that I got from here. The acoustic guitar still has that, you know, watery kind of sound, if you will. Let's see what version 2 sounds like.
Beautiful time to be alive. How long?
Now we can open these in Studio, or we could download them like we could before. Bass and drums there. So when we go to download, we can get the MP3, the wave. I like to do wave and MIDI. And then we could do the fixed tempo as well. So everything's locked into tempo. And then we can download and we're good to go. Throw in your DAW. Of course, you can open this in Suno Studio as well. And you go from there and make your adjustments, do whatever you want to do. So just a quick look here at the advanced stem splitting that's new in Suno. What do you guys think? Do you guys even use Suno? Leave me some comments down below. That is all for now. Talk to you soon.